Project 5, Government Surplus. You are an assistant to an administrative responsible for liquidating government surplus. Each year, your office holds several auctions of confiscated, unclaimed, stolen property. You've been tasked with preparing a workbook for these auctions. Task 1, on the sold worksheet, insert a new column before column A. Navigate to our sold worksheet. You can select column A and right-click and select Insert, and it will insert a new column to the left of the selected column. Mark as completed, move to the next. Split the view of the sold worksheet so only rows 1 through 6 appear in the top pane and then remaining rows appear in the bottom pane. I'm going to scroll down just a little, and we want 1 through 6 split from the rest. So we want to select row 7 because it will split above that. Go up to the View tab and select your split command in your window command group. And you can see it adds that split line there, and now you're in 2 different sections of your worksheet. Mark as completed, move to the next. Configure the Vehicles worksheet so rows 1 through 3 remain visible as you scroll vertically. Navigate to the Vehicles worksheet. You're going to select row number 4 because again we're going to freeze everything above that. Whatever you have selected will freeze above it. You're going to go to your View tab, Freeze Panes drop down, and select Freeze Panes. Now as we scroll, you can see rows 1 through 3 remain in place. Mark as completed, move to the next. On the sold worksheet, format the table so that every other row is shaded similar to the table on the Vehicles worksheet. Use a technique that automatically updates the formatting if you insert a new row. So you can see we're on our Vehicles tab right now, and you can see every other row is what we call banded. So if we go to our sold worksheet, click anywhere in our table, and go to the Table Tools Design Contextual tab, we're going to check off banded rows, and it applies that formatting for us. And again, if we were to add additional rows, it would automatically update. Mark as completed, move to the next. On the Vehicles worksheet, insert a function into cell B4 of the code column that extracts the 2 leftmost letters of the vehicle style displayed in cell D4. I'm going to go to my Vehicles tab, select cell B4, and when you're extracting characters of the leftmost characters, we're going to use the left function. So I have equals, start typing left, and you can see that option becomes available. I'm going to double click to select that function. Tells me first I select my text, so that's the style. Next, we want to insert the comma to move to the number of characters. So we want the 2 leftmost characters. Enter the number 2, closed parentheses, and hit enter. And you can see it takes SE from sedan, and that copies down to all of our vehicles. Mark as completed. I can grade project number 5. I have my 5 green check marks. I can move on to project 6.